It's amazing to live so close to the sea. I chose Swansea as I've always loved living by the sea, and Swansea is the closest university to the beach in the world. Swansea University offers many unique courses like applied medical sciences with diverse career paths, so I knew Swansea was for me, and it hasn't disappointed. Applied medical sciences is the study of human anatomy, physiology, cell biology, genetics, pharmacology and neuroscience, as well as other biomedical science-related subjects, studying their clinical and applied relevance. It integrates scientific understanding of the human body with 3 employability strands to choose from in your second year.
The Medical Science and Research strand is for those aspiring researchers interested in the next big breakthroughs in medical research.
The Enterprise and Innovation strand is for those entrepreneurially minded students who want to take groundbreaking research to the market and apply it to everyday problems.
Our Medical Science and Practice strand is our pathway to medicine. This strand readies students to apply to graduate entry medicine. I'm part of Swansea Netball Club, which is a really nice social space.
I've recently taken up lacrosse because it's a new sport.
And I spend time volunteering for the uni's charity Discovery.
Swansea's very good at giving us very new options to try.
Swansea is ranked top 3 for medicine, but my favourite thing is the people. Like-minded students and lecturers in a city that's warm, friendly and welcoming.